How to turn off post sharing on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Sharing and Reuse. On some versions of Instagram, you may find these options under Privacy instead. Now, find the option Allow people to share your posts and reels. If it's enabled, other users can share your public posts to their Instagram stories with your username attached. Simply turn this toggle off to prevent others from sharing your posts to their stories. You can also review the other sharing options on this page, such as whether people can share your content through direct messages or reuse your content in other ways, depending on the version of Instagram you're using. Once you've turned off this setting, your future posts won't be shareable to other users' Instagram stories. However, this won't prevent screenshots or sharing your content outside of Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can turn off post sharing on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and step-by-step guides.